take a critical look at human seed, aka male sperm. Ejaculation produces between 2 and 5 milliliters. That's what my snapshot research tells me. And that teaspoon contains between 40 and 600 million individual sperm. Well, low sperm count is a problem for many men and many couples. So if you have a question about this that you'd like to direct to a naturopath, remember, they're the ones that say that it is the food, it is the lifestyle choices that we make that affect our health. Well, then post them to the TV3 Sunrise page on Facebook. Dr. Ofeajiman, my guest in the studio. Good morning and welcome to Sunrise, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.
You're always looking really nice. I like what you're wearing.
Thank you.
Very nice, sir. Thank you for coming. Human seed. How is it formed?
Well, reproduction is the means through which we can sustain humanity. And for that reason, the faculties are designed to produce the material that can fertilize the ovum or the egg, to guarantee that we reproduce. And the material required essentially is fruit sugar. It's fruits. So you can take your oranges and bananas, and as well as your nuts. You need the full gamut of the vitamins and minerals that make up the human body. Essentially, there are 4 kingdoms: the mineral, the vegetable, the animal, and the human kingdoms. Now, we need materials from all these kingdoms to sustain the human body. The body essentially is a composite of what we put into it, and these should contain live elements. So if you are not eating fruits and vegetables in the natural state, it becomes difficult to create the seed. That is the bottom line. And once you do that, if you preserve the seed, it has other functions to perform, especially with the nervous system, the brain, essentially the brain. And that is why it's important that as adolescents, we develop the habit of keeping the seed. We should remain continent. And if we don't remain continent and abuse that faculty through masturbation, through lasciviousness, through promiscuity, it becomes difficult.
You're saying that there is a direct link between sperm count or the quality of semen that male body produces and other aspects of our health.
Absolutely. You see, we are not essentially physical beings. Our emotions can affect, the quality of the seed that we produce, and that essentially requires that, we keep the temple clean. There should be no dirt whatsoever in the body. And that accounts for most of the, diseases that we contract even before, we marry. And I dare to say that, every species has a period through which it matures. Humans mature at the age of 25. Unfortunately, you find adolescents, even children, having sex so early in life. And there are reasons for all these happenings, which I believe we need to research, to find solutions to.
Okay, what is the longevity of human sperm and semen? Do we just keep producing it and storing it?
You keep producing it, storing it, and reabsorbing it. If you
it gets reabsorbed. If it's not ejaculated, it's reabsorbed into the body.
Exactly. To regenerate, to refresh the body, especially the brain. And that is why you find intellectual geniuses like Plato, like Aristotle, who were celibate.
How long does the